Using Apple gift card for Toca Boca is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Apple gift card for Toca Boca. Well, the process is pretty simple. First of all, you actually need to redeem your Apple gift card funds into your Apple account. So for that, you simply have to follow this procedure. First of all, go to your, Apple Store, which should be your App Store, and in the App Store, you have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you will see these options here. You have to tap on redeem gift card or code, and after that they will want you to either scan the gift card to enter the code automatically, or you can actually put the code digitally as well. Now, after entering the code, what you have to do is your funds will be actually added to your Apple Pay or Apple account. Now, you can make payments through your Apple Pay. So, for that, you just have to go to your Tokaboka app, and in the Tokaboka app, you simply have to go to, store, make purchase, and the first payment method will pop up your Apple Pay. You just have to select that and make payments using your Apple Pay. The Apple Pay will use the funds because you have already redeemed from your Apple gift card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.